Good morning students. In this class, I will be doing class 10 CBSE syllabus 12th chapter area related to circles. Exercise 12.2 7th sum. A chord of a circle of radius 12 centimeter subtends an angle of 120 degree at the center. Find the areas of the corresponding segment of the circle. So we will draw a circle. So a chord subtends. So there is a chord. It subtends an angle of 120 degree at the center. So here we are getting an angle of 120 degree. The radius of the circle is given as 12 centimeter. So this one and this one we will get it as 12 centimeter. Okay, we are asked to find the area of the corresponding segment. That is, we are asked to find the area of this corresponding segment. This part we are asked to find. So this one, it is very simple. That is area of the sector minus area of the triangle. If we do, we will get the area of the corresponding segment. But in the previous sums and all, they have given the angle subtended at the center is either they have given as 60 degree or they have given 90 degree. So we will use equilateral triangle formula, that is root 3 by 4 a squared formula, or if it is 90 degree, right angle triangle formula, half into base into height we will use. We will find the area of the triangle directly by substituting base height or side values. We will substitute, we will get the area of the triangle. But here in this question it is given as 120 degree. So we don't know the base, we don't know the height also. So we will be finding the base and height of this triangle using trigonometric ratios. 30 degree, 60 degree, like that we will find. With the help of that, we will be finding the base and the height. Then we will be finding the area of the triangle. So we will take this as O, A and then B. So OA and OB are the radius of the circle. So since OA and OB are the length of the triangle are equal, it forms an isosceles triangle. We know the property of the isosceles triangle that equal sides, the base angles are equal. The angles opposite to the equal sides are equal. So this angle and this angle will be equal. That is, angle OAB and angle OBA will be equal in length. So if we take that as x and x, already 120 degree is there. Using angle sum property, first we will find the measure of these two angles. So in triangle AOB, angle O plus angle A plus angle B is equal to 180 degree, sum of angles in a triangle. So O is given as 120 degree, this we have taken as x. Okay, so here 2x is equal to 180 minus 120, that is equal to 60 degree. So x value is equal to 30 degree. So since the base angles are equal, angle A is equal to angle B is equal to is equal to 30 degree. Okay, so we got the angles of A and B as 30 degree. Now, we will draw a line that is perpendicular to AB. We will draw a line OM. We will draw a line OM perpendicular to AB. So, since it is perpendicular, this angle will be 90 degree. Since it will be equally divided, so this we will be getting it as 60 degree and 60 degree. Okay, so one angle is 60 degree, the other angle is 90 degree, then the third angle is 30 degree. So 60 plus 30, 90, 90 plus 90, 180. So we got the angles of this triangle. So same thing you will get it for the other one also. Okay, so now we will use trigonometric ratios. So first we will take sine 30 we will take. So in triangle AOM. In triangle AOM, sine 30 is equal to, sine 30 is OM by AO. OM is opposite side. We have learned already trigonometric ratios. Sine value is equal to, sine theta is equal to opposite by hypotenuse. So opposite side for 30 degree is OM. So OM by hypotenuse side is OA. OM by OA. We know that sine 30 is, the value for sine 30 is 1 by 2. So 1 by 2 is equal to OM we don't know, by OA value is, that is hypotenuse is 12. So height will be, that is OM will be 12 by 2, that is equal to 6 centimeter. So 6 centimeter is the height of this triangle. OM is the height. So we got the height as 6 centimeter. Now we will take cos value, that is cos 30 we will find. So cos is adjacent by hypotenuse. Adjacent is AM by hypotenuse is OA. Okay. Cos 30 value is root 3 by 2 is equal to AM. We have to find that AM value only. Then OA is given as 12. So AM is equal to 12. When we cross multiply this, we will get 12 root 3 by 2. So that is equal to 6 root 3 centimeter. So this is the base. AM is the base. So base, that is one side. For this triangle we got AM as 6 root 3. Actually we need the base length, that is AB. For triangle AOB we need height and the base. Height we got it as 6 centimeter. Base is AB is the base. So AB is equal to 2 times of AM. Since OM is perpendicular to AC, it divides the line segment into 2 equal parts. That is, this M is at the midpoint. So all these properties, if we know only, we can able to do this sum. Okay. So we have to make use of that. So AB is equal to 2 times of AM. So that is equal to 2 into 6 root 3. That is equal to 12 root 3 centimeter. So this is the length of AB. So now we can use half into base into height formula to find the area of the triangle AOB. Okay. So area of triangle AOB is equal to half into base is AB, height is OM into OM. So half into AB we got it as 12 root 3 into OM we got it as 6 centimeter. So when we simplify this, we will get the area of triangle AOB as 36 root 3 centimeter square. So this is the area of the triangle AOB. So now, since the value for root 3 is given, that we will do it later. First we will find the area. Then after this, now only we got the area of the triangle AOB. Now we will find the area of the sector AOB. So area of sector AOB is equal to theta by 360 into pi r squared. So theta is, this is theta 120 by 360 into pi. We are asked to substitute it as 3.14 into radius is given as 12 centimeter. So 12 into 12. So we have substituted. This is the area of the sector. So 120 into 3 we will get here. So 4 times 12. So we will multiply all these things. So 3.14 into 12 into 4 is 48. So 314 into 48. So we will keep this as it is. 3.14 into 48 centimeter squared. So this is the area of the sector AOB. We are asked to find the area of the segment. Therefore, area of segment is equal to area of sector minus area of triangle. So area of the sector is 3.14 into 48 minus area of the triangle is 36 root 3 centimeter square. 36 root 3 centimeter square. So when we simplify this, we will get the area of the segment. So 314 into 48. 11, 24, 25, 4 4s are 16, 5, 12. So 2, 7, 10, 5. So 150.72. 150.72. We get it here, minus 36 into 1.73. 1.73. So when we multiply this, we'll get 62.28. Then when we subtract 150.72 minus 62.28, we'll get 88.44 centimeter square. So this is the area of the required segment of the circle. Okay.